Today we are going to discuss here about the test called, this is the recruitment test of Capgemini XLR 2021. Today we are exclusively going to speak about verbal session. Okay, so we are going to talk about the objective of this particular session is regarding what kind of questions they are going to ask, how many questions we approximately expect, what the time of the test is, the duration of the test is, and as you can see on the screen that we are going to talk about importance of English verbal ability, that is verbal ability section, nature of the test in general. Then we are going to tell some specific about the verbal ability section, which is been covered by the Capgemini test. Then we are going to talk about tentative syllabus, what we have studied till now, and what and how to study to excel yourself in this verbal abilities section. And we are going to see few sample questions as well. Okay. So, and one more thing I'm going to tell you about is what kind of approach we need to have when we solve these kind of questions. Okay, so let us move ahead. That is why actually English or verbal ability section they include in their test. Okay, so see, when we talk about verbal ability, it is about English language, right? When it comes to language, usually we use language to translate our idea to another, right? To another person or different kind of people, right? But no one can translate emotions and feelings. Correct. So here, while understanding how good you are, to understand how good you are with translating this language, translating your emotions, your feelings, these companies want to know how good you are with language English. Okay, so they put this kind of section under this competitive test. Okay, this kind of language or this language understanding help them to understand how good you are with dealing with this language. Okay, so it helps you to express your feelings. They this learning English language or excelling verbal particularly English language is going to unlock a lot of global opportunities for you. It is going to it is going to open the way to the finest universities you want to study, or the good companies if you want to work with. And then it can also help you to master your internet languages. There are a number of benefits if you're good with language English. Okay, so these companies are really, really eager or really, really interested to know how good you are in dealing with language English. Okay, so they always have a specific section called verbal ability. Okay, let us consider any competitive exams. It may be for your when you are planning to go to the masters, when you are planning to study in foreign universities, or let us take any campus recruitment test. There is a section called verbal ability. Okay, that is verbal aptitude test. Understand? So take any verbal aptitude test, you may find the questions what we are going to talk about today. Okay, as Capgemini going to include these, but you also have a benefit. If you learn this, you also it is going to benefit you for different examinations as well. Okay, so let us understand what is the nature of the test. Okay, usually this competitive test has different kind of questions or different kind of round they include in this. Okay, so there are a section called writing section. There is a listening examination they take. They also have a reading section. They also have some speaking kind of rounds they conduct. Okay, so that is usually it is divided into this four parts. That is writing, listening, reading, and speaking. Okay, let us take any competitive exam. These are the four I can say four parts of the examination. You may find any of these under this competitive exam. Okay, if you take an example of the TOEFL exam, right, or let us talk about some ELTS exams. Okay, there they give you a piece of audio to listen, and based on that audio, they ask you the questions, right? As we have experienced reading and comprehension, right, in our school days, correct? There was a passage given, and we used to. There was a few questions asked on based on that paragraph, and we have to search those answers. Correct. These somewhat like that. They give you piece of audio. You have to listen and answer to the questions. When it comes to writing, there are few companies. Capgemini till the previous year they used to conduct essay writing. This year they say that they might not conduct. Okay, so this essay writing may come under. There was email writing taken by under the name of verbal ability test. They used to conduct email writing. Okay, so these are the various topics or various type of examination they conduct under this verbal ability section.